Okay, this is a Honda EU2000i that I just finished building for the Alaska Center of Energy and Power at the University of Alaska Fairbanks. This unit is very similar to my wireless remote controlled units, with the exception of the fact that this won't be wireless remote controlled. The University of Alaska is going to be using it as part of a larger project, and they wanted it to be able to be controlled by a system that they're developing. There are 4 wires here. 2 of them are number 1, smaller in diameter and black. The other 2, the larger 2 wires, are one is red, that's positive, the other is green, which is negative. Operation of the generator is quite simple. In order to run the generator, turn the master switch to the on position, then hook up the fuel tank. Make sure that the arrow on the primer bulb is facing in the direction of fuel flow, which is from the tank to the generator. And then hook up the fuel line. Once the fuel line is hooked, open the vent on the fuel tank and pump the prime bulb till it's firm. I'm not going to run the generator very long because we are in an enclosed room, mainly because it is raining outside. But to start this generator, you will put ground to the green wire and then momentarily put power to the hot wire. And of course, the University of Alaska Fairbanks is designing their own circuit to do this based on a specific set of criteria. I'm not sure that I understand their criteria, but that's okay. The gentleman that I spoke with is a research engineer, and obviously, based on that fact alone, he knows exactly what he's doing, and it's probably beyond my comprehension. After all, he is an engineer. Okay. So just to demonstrate this, I've connected a ground lead to the green wire, and then I'm going to momentarily put contact of power to the red wire. And this should start the generator. And there you have it, the generator is now running. Now to shut the generator off, we will momentarily touch the 2 black wires together to kill it. And there you have it. The generator in the standby mode for whatever their application is will have the master switch in the on position, because that allows it to have spark and allows the fuel to be turned on. Their control module that they're developing themselves is going to put power to the red wire momentarily to start it, or connect the 2 black wires momentarily to shut it off. And as you can see, once again, there is nothing sticking out of the generator from the start mechanism. In order to gain more information on how the start mechanism works, you can watch my video that I've started shooting for the installation kit. It's not ready to be released yet as a kit form, but hopefully later this year I will have a kit. Unfortunately, my son is away at school, so that hopefully he can become an engineer someday instead of being a tinkerer like myself. Otherwise, I would be able to have him shooting this video so I could demonstrate it a little bit more effectively. But I think this gets the point across.